So here's how we can allow apps to access your photos on the iPhone. So in this quick video, I'm going to guide you through it. Let's get started. If it's your first time here, by the way, you can consider subscribing because I have so many tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, whenever you are using some third-party app and you need to get to a situation where the photo access is required, like for example, you might be on the Instagram, and if you go to the upload section, right? You click on it like the plus button to just create stuff, right? Then your Instagram will need to access your photos and all of the recent stuff. So in that case, when you click right here, it's gonna ask you if you want to allow access to the photos or not. So this is where you decided. But if you want to change your mind later, it is still accessible. It's part of the settings, and then when you click on a privacy and a security, you can see all of the different things which can be accessed by individual third-party apps. One of those is of course the photos, so you can get right here, and there is a list of every app which, as I said, has requested access to your photos library. You can get to the Instagram or any app which you want to change it for, and then there are going to be three options. There is the none option, which means no access to your photos, the full access, and something in between, which is limited access. And when you choose the limited option, you basically select individual images, photos, and videos from your library, which the app can work with and access, but not anything else than that, right? So if you want to play with it, that's how you're going to do this. But as you can tell, all of the individual apps right here can have their own settings, so you can always change it later and set it up very precisely for each use case. So I really hope that I can explain it well to you. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. But for now, that's going to be about it. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll catch you in the upcoming videos as well.